The DUI process is interesting. It's really not all that complicated, but if you've never had a DUI before, then obviously you wouldn't know how it works. Really what happens is the police come along, they arrest you, they give you usually a ticket, and you got to appear in court. You're going to want to, seek an attorney, go into the meeting with some questions so you can get all your answers. So hopefully get yourself a little peace of mind. I mean, that's what I'm looking for when I meet with clients. I want them to have some peace of mind. I want them to know what they're looking at, what they're facing. The next thing that happens is you're going to go into court, or your attorney will usually go into court for you if they know what they're doing, and pick up all the paperwork, review it, speak to the prosecutor, and then continue the case for a couple of weeks so you can get a copy of the paperwork, review it, and then you and the attorney will discuss it and kind of get a game plan together. And then probably the next time you're going to go in with your attorney with that game plan in hand, and your attorney, as your advocate, is going to talk to the prosecutor and see if the case can be resolved. And if it can, you'll resolve it right there, put the pieces in place to get yourself out of the legal system as soon as possible. If it can't be resolved, then ultimately it's going to be set for trial, and a jury will decide whether you're innocent or guilty of a DUI case, if that's what you're being charged with. So really what I think you need to do, I mean, I've been doing this 25 years, so I kind of have a feel for what makes clients feel good, and kind of give them a little bit of control back after they've been arrested and roughed up by law enforcement, and they don't know what's going to happen in the criminal justice system. So you sit down with me, we go over everything, we flush it all out, and then I can give you an idea of what you can do to help me, so you can do your part, and kind of what you're facing, what you're looking at, what's going to happen next. I mean, obviously a lot of it has to do with the circumstances of your case, so we got to flush all that out. And then when you leave my office, you're going to know exactly what the game plan is, so that you can get your control back and you can get out of the criminal justice system.